JDCap26 here, just a tips and pairs and hobbies, and we're here to do a rant. And I'm not usually the one to complain, but I'm going to rant a little bit, okay? And we're going to rant about these, okay? These are bamboo spools, which you reload with filament, and they come apart like that. They've got a little notch in here, right there, to put the spool on there. You got to take the tag off, and this and that, and you know what? These come apart. These will come apart during process of coming off the spool to your machine, and I don't kid you. That's if you don't get a preloaded one that's already wound onto the spool. I suggest getting that instead of a refill. And I wouldn't get Bamboo Lab. You can get other brands, and you can still run through your printer. So I'm like really not going to use their filament anymore. And that's my rant. And I hope you understand. And bamboo, you can make these out of cardboard and put a little plastic film edge here, and they'll still be bio whatever. These, you know, you can't throw these away. This is not going to decompose in 1,000 years. Why don't you just make cardboard with the plastic on the edge, and that's less, you know, things in the landfill. So these are, you know, yeah, buy the refills. They're cheaper. Yeah, well, yeah, no thanks. So that's my rant. Buy other brands. Other brands will work with your printer. And I hope you have a good day. And I'm sorry, but that's how we feel today. And we'll see you in the next video. And I'm going to show you a clip of the mess. It'll be next after this, so keep watching. Your proof. It separated from the wheel, and it was put on there correctly, and I'm very upset about it.